Vinson. go.yeswilliam.com. Now I'm gonna change things up a little bit, well, at least for a little while, for how many ever videos it takes to do it. I'm gonna do a series of videos on low to no cost solutions to make money online. So what I'm gonna do in this series of videos is show you ways to make money or save money that you would normally be, you're trying to be online and you want to make money online or using your computer. Well, you can sit at home on your computer and make money or save money in the cases of some of the offers I'm going to do. So it won't always be free, but it'll be close to free or no cost. And some of them will pay you and it won't cost you anything. And well, obviously, you know, if somebody's paying you, it can't cost you anything, right? So here's what I'm going to do. This is the first one, is Userlytics. Now I've signed up for these, all three of them myself, so I can give you what I know about it. Userlytics, I've gotten one offer so far for a well, it says software for moderated projects. Now I don't know what it was about because I didn't get to it in time. They listed it, and when I saw it and signed in, because they send you an email, and when I saw the email and clicked on it, it was already taken, or already too many people had done it, or whatever. Anyway, you can see here that it paid $10, and there was the invitations. See if I can get this blasted thing. Under the invitations, currently no active test invitations that correspond with my demographic profile. We will notify you via email as soon as the next one is available. Now, my demographic profile is different from everybody else's out there. Where I live, my income, my experience, my life history, whatever it is that they question you about and you sign up for, what kind of cell phone you got, what kind of computer you got, those kind of things. So your profile is going to be different than mine. Doesn't mean you won't get any invitations to test or whatever it is that they're going to do. I guess it's test. They call it test invitations and completed test and missed invites. And the next one, this one here, is user testing. Now I've signed into this also, and here's my thoughts on this. As soon as ScreenFlow decides to not take up so much of my memory, I can work with it. Okay, let's see if we can get signed in. Parking meters. Now see, I'm already a user or tester, whatever you want to call it, whichever I am. And this is how it looks. Micro Windows computer, and some of them you can notice by this, it requires you completing it on Chrome. So if you're on a Mac computer or Windows computer, either one, you got to have a Chrome browser. This is Safari on this Mac, so it's I'd have to switch to my Chrome browser to do it. And some of them are on, let's go to the next page. Hold your breath, we'll get there. Here you got a test on iOS or Android smartphone. This one is just for an iPhone. when you do this, you're going to tell them all the electronic things. And down here, you can see an Android tablet. So in your demographics, when you do this, you're going to tell them all the electronic things you have now. I don't have an Android smartphone. I got an iOS, but I do have an Android tablet. So see how these things work. And what you do is you go through and you take the screener. The screener will tell you if you qualify to take the test. So far, I've only qualified to take the one test, and that was the test to see if I'd even qualify to be able to do this. And they send you an email. This is the email they send you. User testing. You've completed your first test, William. You see, you get up inside of those things and it shows up all the HTML. You've completed your first test, and they gave you counsel on how to take in future tests, and they even rate you. I rated 4 out of 5 stars. And you can go there and log into your dashboard. But you know you have to do one, and then they'll grade you on it, and then you'll be able to do more. And now that your first test has been reviewed, you can start taking more tests. Now the other thing, I want to show you this service measure. This is mobile surveys. You'll go to watch their little video. I'm gonna put a link in my description for you can get to the opt-in page for this, and then after the opt-in page, you'll come to here. So I hadn't logged in here yet. I did fill out the first part of it, but that's all I've done. I hadn't even watched the video yet. Don't have any idea how long it is. And I just found out about this, but you can see you do mystery customers, you go and do mystery shopping, mobile surveys on, well, obviously mobile's on a cell phone. So this company, they say, from what I read somewhere in there, that you get $350 for a shopping trip. So if that's the fact, and I can update you on that later, how that works out, then you can make $350 a pop with that one, which would be good money to help you do marketing in case you're into marketing. And if you're not into marketing, it'd be a good keep you out of the Waffle House working anyway. So what we're going to call this now is low to no cost solutions to make money online. Now you may not make money or it may be saving you money from things online too. Like I'm gonna make a series of videos on how to create a funnel on WordPress. Now I had a bunch of videos for that already, but I got stumped on part of it, and I'm gonna explain to you when I do make the videos what I got stumped on, so you'll understand how not to get stumped there too. On the whole thing that I've done, I've had to figure it all the way out. I made one funnel so far, and this will help us all to do it, because I'm going to do it a different funnel next time, so I'm going to do it from beginning to end. So I'm going to do it from beginning to end. So like my videos, subscribe to them, and ring the bell so you can get future notifications. And when you try these things and you make money at it, just come back and comment somewhere, even in a future video, and let me know. And let me know how it turned out, so I can kind of keep track on what's working and what's not working. Now, these are things that there's a good possibility, you're like in the user testing and the userlytics, y'all's demographics are going to be different, so maybe you'll get more offers. But you can see in user testing, I've got a bunch of them here to try out for anyway. And I do have $10, see, in my bank account with them. So I have made, see, I got $10 pending payment right here. So it's not like you're not going to make nothing. You at least make the $10 on your beginning one. And you notice the rating was overall good job for your first test. And then they give you some counsel on how to finish them. So like them, subscribe, and ring the bell. Have a great day.